Another train. We are in Indianapolis right now. Oh, DPU! Look. Oh. Nice. Wow. Freaking Union Pacific. Fuck yeah. You don't see that every day. We're not as close to the train as we was. Alright, it's starting to speed up. Bunch of red and white tank cars. Oh! Look at that black hopper car. I never seen that one before. That's new. Alright.
I put fresh oil in my car.
Alright, we're moving. Union Pacific boxcars. Actually, it looks like it's slowing down. Looks like it's slowing down now that we're moving. Looks like, oh no, it's not. Hasn't ended yet. Still going. Right there, right. You can see the top. Alright, there's not much to see anymore. I'm going to stop recording.